So, in this video, I'll show you how to check camera megapixel on your Android device. Now, the process might be different for different type of Android device. I am currently on a different version of Android. So, the process might vary a little bit, but the majority is going to be the same. So, what you have to do is go to your Play Store and then simply search for application called DefCheck. Click on it. Then install the first application right over here. Now, doesn't wait for the installation to complete. Now, once the installation has begun, this will wait for it to check your system. Once this checking is done, click on open. Now wait for a few seconds. Now, over here you'll find a lot of data, so don't panic. All you have to do is just simply scroll at the very top bar over here, which you can see. Just simply scroll it towards left hand side, and you should see the camera option. Click on it. And depending on the number of cameras you have, you will find all the details right over here. So, this is choose which camera you want to see the details of, and then click on more. And right over here, you should be able to see the megapixels. As you can see, you'll find all the data of your camera. You can see the megapixel directly at the outside over here as well. Like for example, the rear camera is 64 and the front camera is 5. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.